If you're someone that forgets things a lot and have a goldfish memory like me, I built the perfect things. It's one of a class in the world. It's called REMO, and the domain is remo.rocks. So it essentially saves everything that you see as context. Meaning, if you see an Instagram reel, you can just send it over to Remo. It even has a chatbot, by the way. You can just send it over to it, and what it will do is it will save it as a context, like what is the crux of it. Even YouTube videos will transcribe, and any kind of text web scrolling it also supports. Any exposure you can also scrape it, you can keep it. And the best part, you can either feed it to a LLM via prompt, or you can select and deselect whichever prompts you want. Or what you can do is you can use the API that is there, and even has two-factor authentication, so you don't have to worry about security at all. And why I built it, because I used to have a lot of issues about, I moved from ChatGPT to Gemini when the 3 Pro launched, and because of the multi-modal feature that Google has. And the biggest issue was everything was in projects in ChatGPT for me. So what essentially happened, I was not able to get that context into it. And to be honest, when I was trying to use Claude, because I use Claude code a lot, and even parts of Remo is coded from Opus 4.5, yeah. So because of these things, I have to switch back between LLMs a lot or chatbots a lot. So this issue I kept on facing, so I thought I'll build a singular solution that will help me into this. So that's why demo exists. I want you to try it out, and it will keep on building, but I wanted to build in public, work more on it. So your feedback is of course needed. I'll show you a sneak peek into it, so let me know. You can see this is the landing page, and this is what I was talking about. So if you have a LLMs have this issue, that fundamental flaw, that they rely on context. So this is what Remo fix actually, and you can see these are the core problems. Of course, I want you to check it out, but I wanted to give a sneak peek. And you can either inject to LLM, meaning put it into LLM via the functions that are the API that is there, or a prompt. And why Remo? Of course, like what are the issues? And it's pay per use, so whatever you use for, you'll have to pay for it, because I also have to cover up the cost. And yeah, essentially. And if you'll go to the about page, you will know more about the mission behind it, the Goldfish Memory mission, and the core values that we do, and my story, because I am the one building it. So I'm a creator, founder, that you already know. This is my third project. Rest toward already live, shivai.app and AI career engine. You can follow me on X and Instagram for it. Collectively, we do have an audience of 30K, and it's growing rapidly, and we'll go more. Yeah.